Hi guys, this is Mrs. Hazel, and I know that we've been struggling a little bit with using input and output charts, and some of the work that you have to do this week is on input and output charts. So now I'm going to review for you lesson 20 on input and output charts and how to use them correctly. If you turn in your workbook to page 194 and 194, we can work through these problems together. So first of all, number one, Sarah planted some seeds. The table shows the plant's heights each week. How can you find the height of plant B when plant A is 8 centimeters tall? Well, here's our question. Notice that all of my answer choices are actual rules or what I am doing in the table. When they've given you that, it's much easier rather than trying to figure out what the rule is, just to try each rule and figure out which one fits. So I need to know what I needed to do to 1 to get to 3. The first one says to add 2 to plant A's height. So if plant A was 1, 1 plus 2 equals 3. Be that one. But I gotta go check it with number 2. 2, my next one is 2, and I'm gonna add the 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. My next number is 5, so I know that that cannot be the answer. So I'm gonna cross out this one, cannot be that one. Next one, B, says multiply plant A by 2. So we're gonna multiply by 2, and then we're gonna subtract 1. Multiply by 2. So I have 1 times 2, that's easy enough, is 2. And then I'm going to subtract 1. 2 take away 1 is 1. That equals 3, not 1. So I know that that can't be the answer. The next one, you're going to use that same sort of thing, except this time it says you're going to multiply by 2, and then you're going to add 1. So I start with 1. 1 times 2, there's the times 2 equals 2. And then you're going to add 1. 2 plus 1 equals 3. That fits. Go and check the next one. 2 times 2 equals 4. Plus 1 equals 5. That fits. I'm going to check one more. 3 times 2 equals 6. 6 plus 1 equals 7. Pretty sure that's my answer. But as I always tell you, good mathematicians always check the last one. So the last one says I'm going to add 6 to plant A. 1 plus 6 equals 7. That does not equal 3. I know that's not the correct answer. The answer is C. Number 2, there's 38 cats for adoption at the animal shelter. If 3 cats are adopted every day, how many cats will there be at the animal shelter after 9 days? Use a pattern to help you. Again, they don't really want to know the answer to this question. They want to know which one of these number sentences could solve it for you. So first of all, I know that I need the number 38. I know I need the number 3, and I need the number 9. Not sure why I wrote it here. And I know that I need the number 9. Those are the 3 numbers I need. 38, 3, 9. This one has 38, 3, 1. Not going to be it. 38, 3, and 9, maybe. 38, 3, and 9, maybe. 38, 3, and 9, maybe. Now, I'm going to think I have 38 cats. Some are being adopted. So is my number going up or down? Well, if they're being adopted, I know my number's going down because there's going to be less of them at the shelter as they're adopted. It says there's going to be 3 cats adopted every day. So the first day will be 3, second day will be 3, third day, fourth day, fifth day, sixth day, seventh day, eighth day, ninth day. What do we call it when we do 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3? That's right, we call it multiplication. So we're doing 3 times 9, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. My answer is going to be 27. I have here another way of writing that is 3 times 9. All right, I'm looking at my answer choices. This one has 3 times 9. This one says 3 plus 9. That is not going to get me near a large enough number. This one has 3 times 9. I know that that's what I need. Now, this one says I'm going to add those 38 cats to my 20. I can change this to 27. It says I'm going to get a number bigger than 38. I already know from this that no, my number's going down. So my correct answer is D. Melanie's family collects postcards from different states. They have 15 cards now in their collection. That's going to become important. On their next vacation, they plan to buy 8 postcards every day. How many postcards will they have after a 14-day trip? So over here, my input chart, here's my days, and here's the number of postcards. On day 1, On day 2, it would be 8 plus 8 or 16 postcards. On day 3, I know they're going to do 8 more postcards. So you can go 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24. They did 24. Now, I don't want to go 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, all the way down to 14. So now that I know the rule or what's happening in my table, I can go ahead and I can create a rule and I can figure out what's happening. So to get from 1 to 8, I could be adding 7, but I know that they buy 8 every day, so I'm not adding 7. I'm actually multiplying by 8. So I'm going to go down here. I'm going to apply the rule 14 times 8 to get my next answer. 8 times 4. I know that 8 times 3 is 24. So I'm just going to add 8 more to that. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So it's 32. My 2, carry my 3. 8 times 1 is 8, 9, 10, 11. So I have 112. Now, is the question, how many postcards will the family have after a 14-day trip? They will have gotten 112 on this 14-day trip, but it asks how many do they have. So I got to remember they started out with 15. I'm going to have to add those 15 more in. 5, 6, 7. 1 plus 1 is 2, and 1. My answer is 127 postcards. The school office has a printer that can print 42 pages in 1 minute. Use a pattern to find the number of pages it prints in 6 minutes. So here I know minutes are bigger, and pages. I know that in 1 minute we do 42 pages. In 2 minutes, we're going to double that or do 42 plus 42, which is going to give me 84. 84 plus 42 is going to give me 126. Now you can just keep doing this if you want, or you can apply the pattern, and I know that each time what I'm doing is multiplying each minute by 42. So I can skip ahead to 6 by just doing 42 times 6. I have 6 times 2, which would be 12. Carry my 1. 6 times 4, which is 24, plus 1 is 25. So the correct answer here is she will be able to make 250 pages after 6 minutes. Our last question has to do with dolls. Mia has 45 broken dolls. Poor Mia. She can repair 2 dolls each week. How many weeks is it going to take her to have 35 dolls left to repair? So I know that she has started out with 45 dolls. I need to figure out how many she still has to repair. So I know, I'm just going to kind of another group in here. I know that each week she repairs 2. So I started out with 45. I'm going to take 2 away. So that's going to leave her with 43 that she still has to repair. I'm going to move the 43 over here. And I'm going to take away the 2 that she's going to repair that week. And that's going to leave her with 41 to repair. I'm going to put my 41 over here. I'm going to take away 2. That's going to leave her with 39 to repair. She's got 39. She's going to repair 2. It's going to leave her with 37. 37. She's going to repair 2. That's going to leave her with 35. 35 was my magic number. It wants to know how many weeks does it take to get there. Now, all I dealt with was dolls. I didn't have anything to do with weeks. So I'm going to add one more section to my table where I say what the number of the week was. In the first week, she still had 43. In the second week, she had 41. In the third week, she had 39. In the fourth week, she had 37. And in the fifth week, she had 35. So how many weeks will it take her to have 35 dolls left to repair? The answer is 5 weeks. Well, I hope that helps you with your homework this week. I hope you find that it was helpful. Remember, if you have any questions, please contact your teachers.